park.
We are going to the bird park today. Come on, let's go.
Papa and Anaya.
Yep, let's get Papa and Anaya. Come on, let's go. Shall we go?
Yeah.
Let's go. Run, run, run. Come on, guys, keep moving. Look at these flowers. Yeah. What color are they? Are they pink? Purple pink, is it? Okay. Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. It's right there. Oh, look at that bird. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Where's the other one? I can only see one. It's just one, is it? Okay, let's go. Look at this bird. Ooh. Yeah. Look at this one, Evaan. Look, what's that in there? What's that? What is that down there? Rabbit. Do you want to touch the rabbit? Oh, look, there's one over here. Look, there's one over here. Wow. Look at the long ears. Do you want to say, hey, rabbit? Oh, look at that. They're so cute and little. Do you guys want to get one?
Yeah.
You like Big Bunny?
Yeah, I like bunny.
Okay, we'll get you one bunny. Oh, look at that little one. Yeah, eating grass, is it? You know?
Mr. Bunny.
Hello, Mr. Bunny. Okay, Evaan, do you know what's the favorite vegetable of the rabbit?
Carrot.
Yes, Bunny loves carrot. Hello, Bunny. I know, very cute. Yes, honey. What color is that, Evaan?
Yellow.
That's yellow. Do you like yellow bird? Which color bird do you like the most?
Yellow.
Yellow one. Oh, okay. Look at that, mother duck and so many ducklings.
How many duckies?
How many ducklings? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's go this way.
And 10. 10
Oh,
duckies
10.
and one mother duck.
10 ducklings and one mother duck. Do you like mama duck or do you like ducklings? What do you like?
Duckling.
You like ducklings. All right. Hey, look, there's a bridge over there. Come on, let's go on the bridge. Come on, Evaan. Oh, I know you're tired, but let's go. We're walking over the bridge.
Come, Mama.
You're gonna be fine. Come on.